इंजरी थ्योरी क्लास हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है, सर्टेनली बताओ, हुआ है ना? डन. Okay, so if it is done, then you are supposed to know the different types of injuries, namely abrasion, contusion, also known as bruise, lacerations, and fractures. Okay, so there are different types of. Do you know what is incised wound? What is an incision? Cut in the skin surface can also be known as laceration, है ना? Surgical wounds are primarily the incised wounds, okay, or clean cut incisions that we mentioned. Do you know what is abrasion? What is abrasion? When does an abrasion occur? When the subcutaneous layer or when the superficial layer of the skin that is stripped off, then we say it is an abrasion. Do we have fresh bleeding in abrasion? Yes. But is the amount of bleeding too much? No. Okay, understood abrasion. I am not going to teach individually what are the things you are supposed to know in the theory. Go and read your textbook. Next, what is contusion? Also known as bruise. What is contusion? Beta, आप बताओ. What is your name? Roll number? बताओ, बैठ के बताओ. Contusion क्या है? Without breach in the continuity of the skin, okay, we do not see any bleeding in the external surface, that is known as contusion, also known as bruise. Okay, in the exam in your MCCD form you were given a case जिसमें there was subdural what? So if we remove the hair, if the hair is removed under the scalp, you can see the contusion or the bruise. Understood? Bruise is one of the most commonest injuries. कहीं भी हो सकता है, कहीं भी लग के you find bruise happening. Okay, abrasion, contusion. Next, what? Laceration. Now, what is laceration? मोटा idea. How do you describe? What is laceration? What do you mean by laceration? What is laceration? बताओ. Discontinuity of the skin leading to fresh bleeding. Okay, laceration can be of different types. There can be stretch laceration. What do you mean by stretch? When two ends of anything it is being pulled too hard, okay, then there will be splitting of the portion from the between. Okay, stretch laceration समझ में आया. Split laceration भी हो सकता है. Something like that of an incised wound ना. Some lacerations are there which can look like an incision. Split lacerations are those which generally look like an incision because there is a clean edge which we find on the two sides. Understood? We can have pressure के लिए भी laceration is possible because of pressure as well. Okay. Next, you know fractures. Everybody know what is a fracture. Do you know what is fissure fracture or linear fracture? Fissure fracture or linear fracture we can find in the skull. Hairline fractures are sort of fissure fractures only or linear fractures only. Difference is in the long bones we are finding. If we see in a flat bone, suppose sternum में हो रहा है, scapula, okay, in the skull fissure or linear fracture is very common. Understood? এখানে এসে বসো. এখানে এসে বসো. Okay, so you are supposed to know different types of injuries. We are अभी प्रैक्टिकल क्लास है ना ये. What are we going to study? We are going to study weapons. Okay, blunt and sharp, 3 types actually, and firearms. Okay, firearms क्या है? Pistols, guns, all of these are firearms. Among the blunt weapon and sharp weapon, how to describe a weapon, you are supposed to know what types of injuries are possible from that weapon, and you are supposed to know medical legal importance of those injuries. Understood? Practical exam में क्या पूछा जाएगा? 4 points are there. So you will learn today. We will try and learn how to describe any sort of weapon. Okay, what are the parts and injuries? कल मैंने पढ़ाया है, आप लोगों को पता है ये सब चीजें कि should I repeat again? You know what is a fatal and non-fatal injuries? Acha, what are defense injuries? Defense injuries, what do you understand by the term defense injuries? Abrasion, bruise, contusion, laceration, incised wound. Do you know what is an incised wound? When you hold, suppose a knife, okay? If you go and bring the knife, kitchen knife, okay? Then you will see one kitchen knife is present, go and bring that knife. When we hold the surgical scalpel, okay, or surgical blade जिसको हम बोलते हैं, we are supposed to hold it like a pen, and we are supposed to give the incision how? Like we are drawing or writing or painting something. Means it is held in this manner, and you will give the incision like this. Okay, so these are clean incisions. That is the incised wound, the typical incised wound which we say. Next, what is the stab wound? This is stabbing, stab wound. Okay, understood. Next, firearm wounds. Firearm wounds are completely different. From the firearm wounds, you are supposed to know the range. From the wound itself, we are supposed to find out the weapon, the type of cartridge, okay, which has caused it. You are supposed to, or the bullet, you are supposed to know the range, कि कितने दूर से हुआ है, पास से हुआ है, immediate, all of these things you are supposed to know. Next, in the miscellaneous injuries, see, there are self-inflicted injuries. Okay, means, what do you mean by self-inflicted injury? Self means your own self. Infliction means causing. So self-inflicted injuries are those injuries which you yourself are doing to your own self. Okay, accidental injuries which are happening, self-inflicted injuries. Next, can we do a stab wound with this knife? Yes. We can do a stab wound, right? Can we do an incision? Why? मैंने बोला कि सर्जिकल ब्लेड आर हेल्ड इन अ सर्टेन मैनर. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कैन आई डू दिस? दिस इज एन इंसिशन. अंडरस्टूड? हो सकता है ना. एनीथिंग विच इज अ शार्प एंड पॉइंटेड टिप वी कैन डू इट. इंसिशन इज पॉसिबल. नाउ दिस इज अ शार्प वेपन. ओके, having a pointed edge, not necessarily pointed edge, अगर pointed edge नहीं भी है इसका तो it has a sharp edge and a blunt edge. Okay, this, now compare these two. Do they have any sharp edge? This one, it does not have, right? Hence it is a blunt weapon. This one, does it have any sharp edges? No. Okay, so it is blunt. But can it cause injuries? It can cause abrasion, chalo, not commonly. It can cause contusion. हो सकता है. If I hit somebody with the stick or the handle part, it can cause contusion. इससे contusion होगा, bruise definitely होगा. Understood? Laceration is possible. Laceration is possible with this as well. समझ में आया? So during the practical exam, you need to be very mindful. In FMT practical at least, अभी bones नहीं है कि रट के आओगे. Okay, what you will be given, be mindful and then answer. Next, defense injuries. What are defense injuries? What do you mean by the term defense? Self protection. Okay, so when you are trying to defend yourself, you have a particular stance, right? So where you will find the defense injuries commonly? कहाँ पे मिलेंगे defense injuries? Hands. Good. Hands. Which border of your hand? Radial or ulnar? Ulnar border. Okay. Can you find defense injuries here? How? If we are trying to catch hold of the weapon, right? Good. Gayatri, did you not understand? If you are trying to hold this, okay, somebody is hitting you, it will show you marks, right? We will, if provided, then we will show the sharp edge. Sometimes it cuts to this part. Okay, we can see if it is a defense wound or not. Understood what is defense wound? Next, unintentional injuries. Not self, okay, self-inflicted injuries and unintentional injuries, these are different. Unintentional injuries, what do you mean by that? इधर उधर जो जहाँ भी हम लोग ठुक जाते हैं, ठीक है, that is unintentional injuries. Self-inflicted injuries, these are fabricated wounds. Self-inflicted injuries are basically the suicidal cuts or the hesitation cuts. These are the self-inflicted injuries. Okay, sometimes they can be fabricated as well. Fabrication का मतलब क्या है? Falsifying something which is not true. Okay, now how can somebody fabricate an injury? Is it possible? आप injury बना सकते हो? You on your body, can you falsely show an injury? How? By cutting, you can. Okay, so these are self-inflicted injuries. By cutting, without cutting, chalo, there are certain poisons. Okay, there are certain plant poisons. We use their juice or the product to produce bruise in our body. Now the point is, if it is a self-inflicted injury, where will it be present in our body? The easily accessible parts or the difficultly accessible parts? Easily accessible parts. So in order to distinguish, we need to see if it is present in an easily accessible part or not. Okay, if it is bruised during plant poisons जो पढ़ाया जाएगा आपको, that time you will get to know all of these things, but अभी के लिए याद रखो. If it is bruised, certain bruise around the bruise, we can see itching or swelling or fluid discharge. Bruise के आसपास कभी आप लोगों ने itching, swelling और fluid discharge देखा है? नहीं होता ना. So if it is a fabricated bruise, then all of these can be found. Understood? समझ में आया? Next, Another thing, if it is a self-inflicted injury, it is highly unlikely that the injury, it will be fatal in nature. Yani ki if the cut is present, the cut won't be that deep. Okay, if you are not in the right mental state, then you can do such sort of injuries. If you are in the right mental state, तो नहीं कर सकते आप खुद को. समझ में आया? Nobody is able to do that. Next is fatal and non-fatal injuries. Okay, so certain injuries which can cause death or greater degree of body harm, and certain injuries which do not cause death or greater degree of body harm. Understood? What is grazed abrasion? Who will say grazed abrasion? बोलो. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Sit down. Say grazed abrasion.
Discontinuity or in the epidermal layer of skin.
I am not asking abrasion. What do you understand by the term grazed? Grazed abrasion का मतलब क्या है? There are different types of abrasion, like there is scratch, which is very common, everybody knows. Okay, then there is graze abrasion, there is pressure abrasion, and there is impact abrasion. So
A close impact with any object.
partially correct. Basically, when two surfaces are rubbing against each other, है ना, which we commonly see in road traffic accident. Okay, if the body or any part of your body is being dragged along the other surface, ऐसे अगर वो घिस रहा है, then we see grazed abrasion. Okay, sometimes what happens, if suppose my hand, if all of this part अगर ऐसे उखड़ जाए, then it is known as grazed abrasion. Okay, gloves and stockings injury जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Okay, understood? Next, pressure abrasion. Now you know, everybody knows what is an abrasion. This abrasion. Okay, abrasion can also occur because of pressure. If there is extreme pressure, extreme point of contact, okay, with extreme amount of pressure for a small period of time, that will lead to pressure abrasion. Okay, also known as impact abrasion. Impact abrasion yani ki the tire mark injuries, the tire mark bruise or abrasion which you see during RTA, these are example of impact abrasions. Guys, can you understand this part? This part तो I know they are understanding. Are you, समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Okay. Next, contusion. What do you mean by contusion? Contusion क्या है? Bruise. Okay. So the contusion can be intradermal, subcutaneous, and deep. Except for that, important part है कि contusion can be, abrasion can be patterned abrasion. Pattern का मतलब क्या है? This rod, it has got serrations or patterns are present. If an abrasion is produced which is exactly like this, then we are going to call it a patterned abrasion. Not only from this one. For example, with this, if somebody is injured, there are certain patterns which are encrypted here corresponding to the pattern which is present here. If someone has an injury, it can be bruise or it can be abrasion, then we will say it is a patterned abrasion or patterned bruise. Understood? Next, in contusion also, as a patterned contusion is possible, from which we can deduce कि which is the weapon of causing that impact. Understood? क्या समझ में आ रहा है? नींद आ रहा है तो पानी दिखे, जाओ मुंह पे, जाओ. You. ठीक है. Laceration, understood everyone? Fracture में no, you know linear fracture what it is? Fissure fracture, पता है skull में जो होता है fissure fracture. Next, compound fracture. Do you know what is a compound fracture? नहीं. Okay, somewhat it is correct only, but
The broken bone can incise the skin.
that is open fracture. Inside skin our key होय. If it breaks through the skin, okay, that is known as open fracture. What is comminuted fracture and what is compound fracture? पता है? बेटा ये क्या है? Fissure, also known as linear fractures, है ना? What is this? Dislocated fracture. Why? From the normal anatomical position, the bone has completely moved. Okay. Next. Wait, I'll show you. How many parts can you see of this bone? बताओ कितने पार्ट्स दिख रहे हैं आपको? 4 parts. So after a fracture, इसको हम commutated भी बोलते हैं sometimes we say is compound as well. Okay, if it has broken, a bone has broken and there are more than complete 2 to 3 pieces are present. यहाँ पे there are 3 pieces ना completely. Suppose I personally have seen during my internship, I have seen just cases when tibia and fibula that has been broken into 4 segments, so complete 3 segments are present. Okay, unlike now when you can stand, it is not a thin straight line. It becomes somewhat like this, ऐसे ribbon की तरह हो जाएगा. Okay, the leg is going to be so flexible if it is broken into multiple pieces. These are known as compound fractures. Okay, चलो. So you know ना basics, यही जानना है आपको. First we will start with cane. बताओ क्या है? Bite mark मत बताना कोई. Medico legally what you say? You are not quacks, like you will become doctors. Laceration. Good. Understood? So now आपको ये भी तो पता करना है कि एक अगर कोई वेपन आपको मिला, then how you are supposed to describe the weapon, है ना? What are the points of description? Somebody गायत्री लिखा और लिखो. First description में लिखना blunt है कि sharp है weapon. Okay? Next you need to write if it is flexible or it is non-flexible. Third, you will write if it is soft or hard. And then describe about the weight. Okay, light weight, moderately heavy या heavy. Okay, उसके बाद you need to give the dimensions: length, breadth, if there is thickness or height, circumference. After the dimensions, you will describe the parts. Any weapon, it can be of 3 parts, 4 parts, only 1 part is present. उसके बाद the material it is made up with. When you are describing the parts, individual part, you have to say what is the dimension of that part, what material it is made up of, what is the color, ये सब बताना है आपको. अच्छा चलो, why is color important and why is the material important? Medico legally why? Forensic medicine point of view से why we are supposed to know? इसका कलर मुझे क्यों पता करना है? इसे इंजरी हुआ है why am I supposed to know the color? क्या misplace हो जाए? Sometimes these are microscopic structures, right? Under examination, चलो किसी postmortem में हम कर रहे हैं, we can collect the remnants of the color. Okay, so it is used to match, the chemicals are used to match. Metal क्यों important है? Metallic fragments मिलेंगे. If it is made of wood, then certain wood pieces will be present. ठीक है, chip offs जो होते हैं, so we can correlate the weapon. Hence these are color, material, all of important. Okay, understood? उसके बाद क्या बोलोगे? ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इंजरीज क्या क्या हो सकते हैं उससे प्रोबेबल. यू गाइज आर गोना बी आस्क्ड अबाउट दैट. नाउ व्हेन यू आर डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट द इंजरीज, फर्स्ट गो फॉर द मोस्ट प्रोबेबल इंजरी व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल विद द बॉल, मोस्ट प्रोबेबल क्या है? कंट्यूशन, है ना? मोस्ट प्रोबेबल. डोंट स्टार्ट दैट इट विल कॉज लैसरेशन. हो सकता है, वेरी मच पॉसिबल, बट नॉट मोस्ट प्रोबेबल. विद दिस फ्रैक्चर, लेसरेशन, ये सब मोस्ट प्रोबेबल है ना? स्टार्ट विद दैट एंड देन मेंशन रेस्ट ऑफ द लीस्ट पॉसिबल इंजरीज पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू से मेडिको लीगल इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दीज वेपन. मेडिको लीगल इंपॉर्टेंस का मतलब क्या है? That if the type of injury falls under simple injury, grievous injury, homicidal, suicidal or accidental. What is meaning of homicidal injury? सिर्फ मर्डर. हाँ, सिर्फ मर्डर नहीं होता, थोड़ा ब्रॉड करो. होमिसाइडल इंजरी, व्हाट कैन फॉल अंडर होमिसाइडल इंजरी? If somebody has beaten you or assaulted you physically with the intention of assaulting you, होमिसाइडल इंजरी. नॉट नेसेसरी कि मारना जरूरी थोड़ी होता है हर बार. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? ओके. एक्सीडेंटल इंजरीज which are unintentional. Okay, homicide में intention is important, and suicidal injuries which you are doing with the intention of harming your own self. Understood? Next important thing is grievous injury. क्या होता है? But there are 8 clause in grievous injuries. Okay, बताओ, सारे clause बताओ. अगर नहीं बोल पाए तो आज इससे ज़्यादा क्लास नहीं होगा. On a serious note, so there are so many students. 8 things. If you're feeling sleepy, go to the washroom, splash some water. It's okay. Okay. बोलो. Check. Everybody has ना check. You have a book, right? Check what are the grievous injuries के clause क्या है. Now why am I saying fracture of tooth वो grievous injury होगा? Fracture of tooth होगा या नहीं होगा बोलो. Search and find out the clause. Why am I saying all of these things? Loss of eyesight, loss of hearing, disfigurement of the face, acid attack. ठीक है? Yes. And then क्या?
Disfiguration, fracture or dislocation. Any heart dangerous life or suffering 20 days. Like pain or emergency for
Anything for more than 20 days अगर आप अपना normal physical daily activity you are not able to continue, okay, for anything for which you are supposed to be, you are admitted at the IPD यानी hospital में admitted हो. अभी कितना दिन admitted हो, 3 महीना 2 महीना, time period जानना जरूरी है. Hence knowing each of the clause are important. Circulate this. Sarmishta, she will come and ask. It is important. Why it is important? Tooth ka fracture is included. Disfigurement of the face included. Okay. Acid attacks leading to disfigurement of the face included. Loss of eyesight included. Loss of vision it is included. Loss of hearing it is included. समझ में आया? Now, can a ball cause fracture of tooth? Yes. कर सकता है ना बेटा. हाँ. Loss of hearing. So these are grievous injuries. अभी grievous injury अगर है and you as a medical officer are preparing the injury report, okay, depending on what you write, it is a simple injury or it falls under grievous injury and you are going to put your sign. That person against whom the case is going to be filed, he or she is going to be booked under certain different BNS के sections. Understood why it is important? तो आपको ये जुबानी आना चाहिए कि क्या क्या ग्रेवियस इंजरी क्या होता है. इफ सम पेशेंट आफ्टर अ मॉब वायलेंस ओनली, ओके, दैट पर्सन ही और शी इज एडमिटेड इन द आईपीडी फॉर मोर देन 20 days. तो जब आप इंजरी रिपोर्ट इसका बनाओगे उसमें आपको ये सब चीजें मेंशन करनी है. सो यू आर सपोज टू नो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट इफ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टीच यू एवरीथिंग. सेम जो है ना, cylindricals and long, there are, I have arranged in a certain order. I am going to say them इकट्ठा together. I'll mention, okay. After that, at the end of the class, when I am done with 3-4, then I am going to ask you guys. आप लोग बताओगे, ठीक है? ऐसे वरना आपको कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है. तो उन्होंने स्केल. Now how many parts are present? ये पहले बताओ. शार्प है कि ब्लंट है? वेपन ब्लंट. How many parts are present? 2. Which are those parts? Shaft and the handle. Okay. Now you are supposed to describe the handle as well as the shaft. Injuries what are possible through the handle and injuries which are possible through the shaft. Okay. दोनों को describe करता है. So first let's start with the shaft. Cane. If the shaft portion of the cane will look like this only, है ना? Now how will we measure it? अगर मेरे पास अभी केन होता तो मैं कैसे मेजर करती? फर्स्ट, इट इज अ ब्लंट पेपर. ओके, इट इज फ्लेक्सिबल और नॉन फ्लेक्सिबल? नॉन फ्लेक्सिबल. सॉफ्ट और हार्ड? हार्ड. बेसिक पॉइंट्स है, ऐसे ही डिस्क्राइब करना है. मेड ऑफ, चलो, इफ दिस इज मेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक तो प्लास्टिक, मेटल देन मेटल, वुड देन वुड. कलर, हियर इट इज ब्लैक, सो कलर बताएंगे. एंड देन द वेट, ठीक है. हेवी, दिस इज, यू कैन से इट इज हेवी, मॉडरेटली हेवी और लाइट. अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट वी विल मेजर the dimensions. So dimensions के लिए take the length, okay, it is 30.5 centimeter. Okay, then we are going to take the circumference. Cane, you will have a circumference होगा ना, cane का circumference. So here it is coming 4.5. जितना भी circumference है, circumference लेंगे, हो गया इसका. There are 2 ends which are present. हाँ, weight if possible, if you know weight लिखना, नहीं possible है तो मत लिखना, चलेगा. So there are 2 ends. One is the free end and then another end is attached to the handle. Okay. So at the free end क्या है उसमें? There is a plastic cape, okay, which is present, or a plastic covering which is present. Describe the color and describe the circumference. अलग से आएगा ना इसका circumference, उसका circumference हो सके जितना, try to be as particular as possible. नहीं हो पा रहा है, then it's fine. Understood? Okay. Next we will go to the handle. शेप क्या है हैंडल का? रेक्टेंगुलर स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, ब्लैक इन कलर. हाँ, यू विल टेक द लेंथ, द ब्रेथ एंड द विड्थ, सॉरी द हाइट, जितना भी आ रहा है उसका लो. से रिगार्डिंग द मटेरियल कौन सा है? Done with both of the parts. Next we will go to the injuries possible. Okay, here with the handle, is abrasion possible? Handle से this handle abrasion हो सकता है ना? Contusion or bruise possible? Possible, बोलो. Contusion or bruise possible. Laceration possible? Laceration is possible. Fracture, is it possible? It is possible. Okay, now with the shaft, abrasion, contusion, laceration and fracture. Okay, can it cause open fracture? कर सकता है shaft or the handle, can they cause open fracture? हाँ, open fracture का मतलब क्या है? And the bone is visible. It can cause. अगर ज्यादा जोर से मारे तो it can cause, definitely it can cause. It can cause head injury and a fatal death as well. समझ में आया? So think logically सोचो, जब मैं पूछ रही हूँ ना क्वेश्चन, ऐसे ही पूछेंगे रैंडम चीजें, तो वो सब बताना आप लोग. Okay. Oh. So see one thing. Look at this. What is this known as? I assume that this is not her wrist and somebody's neck. And if I put one rod here, another substance here, and if I twist it, ব্যথা লাগছে বেশি? Okay. Is it possible? Is it possible? To compress her neck and then break the bones, leading to death of the person. Understood? इसको हम बांसुरा बोलते हैं. Okay, बेटा जाके बैठो. So this is a form of strangulation. You know what is strangulation? Throttling. What is throttling? कैसे दबाना गला? Strangulation का मतलब क्या है तो फिर? Strangulation मतलब splitting the throat, slitting the throat. Strangulation. What is the meaning of strangulation? Then what is throttling? With what? Good. And strangulation? Okay. So this is a form of strangulation only. Instead of, मैं समझाने के लिए बता रही हूँ, this is not strangulation at all. Okay. Instead of rope, we are using certain cylindrical materials. Rod हो सकता है, bamboo stick हो सकता है, anything. Okay. Metallic rod हो सकता है, any sort of lead pipe, it is possible. Understood? Okay. Next. So remember this बांसुरा का, ठीक है, इससे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. Next is the iron pipe. Everything iron pipe. Somebody, if you want, then you can take pictures now or at the end of the class. Okay.
If from a person, just a rod, press the neck, and it also come with
No. How did I mention? बांसुरा का मतलब क्या है? Two sticks are present. Okay. Is it possible to kill somebody like that? Think. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. सोचो. हाँ? कैसे? तेरे से मैं यही सब चीजें एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ. एनीवे बता. हाँ. मार तो सकता है. मैकेनिज्म क्या होगा? क्यों? मैकेनिज्म क्या है? Esophagus पता है. Without any food particle or bolus passing through it, ऐसे ही बंद ही रहता है esophagus. तो esophagus का तो कुछ नहीं होगा. ट्रैकिया का क्या होगा? Windpipe can collapse. Okay, but do you think because of the collapse of windpipe the person is going to die?
Cervical spine.
मुझे कोई और कैप्टन चाहिए. नहीं, मेरे को तू कभी नहीं पसंद आया एज अ कैप्टन. मेरे को कोई और ही चाहिए भाई. सुन, तू डॉक्टर बन रहा है, मार रहा है तो मरेगा. हाँ, तो I have asked the mechanism. See me the mechanism. Why? Is it because of closing of the windpipe? Is it because of closing of the esophagus? Is it because of closing of the vessels? Internal carotid, external carotid, jugular veins. इनके क्लोजिंग के लिए, और इज इट बिकॉज देयर इज इंजरी टू द सर्वाइकल स्पाइन? कौन सा? मैं तो तुमको ही पकड़ूंगी बेटा। क्या? Artery supply and leading to the cutoff of the oxygen supply to brain. It will take time, 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, nerve cells, they are going to die permanently. Okay, till 5 minutes, there is somewhat chances of revival. But yes, if the arteries or the vessels are blocked, it will lead to death. But if the cervical spine is snapped, it will lead to immediate cause of death. समझ में आया? So if you pin down somebody like that, yes, it is possible, but it will occur because cervical spine जा रहा है पूरा. Understood? Everybody. जब हम triage करते हैं in any scene of accident, okay, and we are shifting the patient, है ना, from the scene of accident to the hospital, सबसे ज़्यादा importance कौन से portion को देते हैं? Cervical spine. If it is twisted or moved even an inch, 10 degree भी हुआ and the spine is snapped, the patient is going to collapse. Okay, understood? Good question. At least he is thinking, guys. This is iron pipe or iron rod, जो भी आप बोलो. Pipe, this is a pipe or this is a rod. ये pipe है कि rod है? क्या है? Rod. Pipe कब बोलेंगे? Good. Okay. So इसमें जब when you are describing it, इसका length and the circumference you have seen, there are two ends present. Okay, each of the ends are circular. Okay, both of the ends are blunt. कोई pointed tip end है? नहीं है. Okay, so if I say you to describe this, how will you describe? This is also circular. ये rod ही है. Okay, one end is sharp नहीं, pointed. Sharp is correct. Sharp हम कौन सा बोलेंगे? देखो, this is sharp and this is what? Pointed. This is what? Pointed. Understood? Describe the other end. Circular or round. Okay, blunt है कि sharp है? Blunt. Good. Okay, so describe this. Blunt or sharp? This one, blunt. This is sharp. This end is pointed. Another end is connected to the handle. Okay? समझ में आया कैसे बताना है? Okay. So it is the same ही है. Just like the cane में क्या था? There was a handle present for holding. This one, there is no handle present. Understood? कैसे describe करना है? Two ends are present. Both of the ends are circular or round. Circular नहीं होगा, round होगा. And both of the ends are blunt. Okay. So what are the injuries possible? Say one by one. With this? Abrasion. What type of abrasion? Look at me and think. Hold it. Hold it. What are these present? Patterns. What type of abrasion? Abrasion होगा. Patterned abrasion is possible. Bruise होले? What type of bruise? Bruise means what? Contusion. Patterned bruise is possible. Okay, if I hit with it, चलो, if I hit at this surface, okay, see how much surface is going. तो जितने patterns, the point of contact with my body surface ना, is if it is not visible, then come and sit here. Come and sit here, you. The point of contact जो है जितना भी with my skin surface, यहाँ पे serrations तो they are going to come ना, as an imprint आएगा, तो pattern bruise is possible with this. Understood? हाँ. What type of bruise? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Railway track pattern और tram track pattern, कौन सा बोलते हैं हम with this? Tram track or railway track? Why railway? Draw me and show the railway track pattern in your copy. Everybody pass it around. Look at the serrations. That tip is sharp. Okay, don't cut yourself. Okay. And what is tram track pattern? It is possible with what? This is possible with this. Okay, these two edges, they are going to show tram track. Okay, समझ में आया? Okay. Barnes-Rolla is possible with this. Barnes-Rolla हो सकता है with the iron rod or iron pipe, possible, right? Okay. Injuries, what are possible? Medico-legal importance of injuries, क्या क्या possible है? Homicide, yes. Then देखा देखा तो बोले चीज. Okay, good. Grievous. Okay, grievous के बाद simple. Is it possible? Simple is possible. Okay. Is it tram track or it is railway track? This is tram track. Which is railway track? This one is railway track. Why so? देखो, why there are, it is a hit with some sort of stick like this, okay? Understood? Now why we can see two images or two impression क्यों आ रहा है यहाँ पे? One is of this edge and there is of this edge. समझ में आ रहा है? तो देख रहा है? दोनों edges से we will see two impression marks, okay? Why not this part? ये भी तो था ना point of contact में? It was also there. This is also smooth. Are there serrations present? Touch and see this. Are there serrations present? देखो, इस दोनों पूरा edge देखो. Don't hit her. She is going to cry otherwise. Don't hit her. Where is the rod? कहाँ है? दो, वापस दो. कोई एज नहीं है बेटा, ये स्मूथ है, ठीक है. बट क्यों नहीं होगा वहां पे इंप्रेशन? the extreme point of impact, they are going to leave behind patterns, okay? Extreme point of impact यहाँ से नहीं आता है. Extreme point of impact is going to come from the two edges. Hence we will see, बोलो railway ना tram track? Railway track appearance, okay? Understood? Good. Okay, iron pipe is done. Bamboo stick. If this is given to you, bamboo stick is a very common thing. If this very bamboo stick is given to you, how will you describe it? अभी तो मैंने पढ़ा है पूरा. Start. It is blunt or sharp? Blunt weapon. Okay. Weight इसका बताओ. Light weight. Okay. Flexible or not? Non-flexible. और क्या point रह गया है? सोचो. Hard. Okay. Done. Finish. उसके बाद how will you describe it? Dimensions. How many parts? Parts are present. Single है. It is a cylindrical object. Length बताओगे इसका. Circumference you will say. How many ends are present here in this? Two ends. One is blunt, round end. Another end is pointed. हाँ, pointed बताओ. Sharp. It is not that sharp. Okay. So with this, what injury? Incision हो सकता है इससे? नहीं. लेसरेशन हो सकता है. देखो, अगर आप इस पर्टिकुलर के केस में इंसिशन हो सकता है बोल रहे हो, देन ऑल्सो इट इज करेक्ट. अगर बोल रहे हो कि नहीं हो सकता, देन ऑल्सो इट इज करेक्ट. ओके. हाँ, लेकिन इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट इज प्रोवाइडेड टू यू. ओके. लेसरेशन पॉसिबल. एब्रेशन होगा इससे? पॉसिबल. कंट्यूशन, you have just seen the contusion, okay? It is possible. Fracture, is it possible with this? Fracture is also possible. Chalo, next. What are you forgetting regarding this bamboo stick? What is this? What are these two things? And what is this? Nodes and internodes. है ना? So you need to mention, suppose in place of this bamboo stick, this very bamboo stick, if I cut it from the two ends, okay, and I just give you this part, nodes and internodes होगा उसमें? नहीं. So you need to describe it accordingly. समझ में आया? Okay. Barnes-Rolla हो सकता है इससे? हाँ, हो सकता है. चलो. So it is common for what? Commonest injury amongst abrasion, contusion, laceration and fracture with the bamboo stick. Contusion, good. And if I hit with this, fracture हो सकता है. Medico-legal importance of this weapon. Medico-legal importance यानी simple injury, grievous, homicidal, accidental, ये सब बताना है. Medico-legal importance क्या है इसका? Homicidal, yes. Simple हो सकता है. Grievous. If I hit Tanwar with this and he loses his हियरिंग है ना, ग्रीवस हो सकता है ना, हाँ, देन ही विल गो एंड फाइल अ केस अगेंस्ट मी। इसको ये पता नहीं कब मेरे केस तो करेगा भाई, मुझे तो लगता है। Okay, so if a bamboo stick is provided to you, which is smooth, nodes and internodes are not present, kindly describe it accordingly. Okay. Next, hockey stick. Hockey stick में क्या है? You need to say regarding the different parts. Okay. There is a blade, handle present है, and there is a splice. उन तीनों को आपको अलग अलग से डिस्क्राइब करना है। ओके, रिगार्डिंग द ब्लेड मेंशन द शेप, लेंथ, the thickness which is present, color, if any covering is present or not. Okay, regarding the splice mention कि it is the joining part between the handle and the blade. Okay, इसका length, thickness, coloring, covering फिर से mention करना है, and the material which is made up of. Okay, regarding the handle क्या बताओगे? Long cylindrical, उसका dimension क्या होगा बेटा? Length बोलोगे and circumference. Okay, if any covering is present or not, covering made up of what? One end is free, another end is attached to this, till this is the handle. ये क्या है? Splice. This is the blade. Okay, so one end is free, another end is attached to what? Splice. Okay, what are the different types of injuries? अच्छा, say this is heavy or lightweight or moderately heavy. Moderately heavy. Good. अगर आपने पकड़ के किसी लड़की को लगा हेवी है तो शी कैन राइट हेवी एज वेल। ओके ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इंजरीज पॉसिबल? सेम बताओ, इट्स तो नाउ अभी तो पता है, एब्रेशन, कंट्यूशन, लेसरेशन, है ना, फ्रैक्चर। मोस्ट कॉमनेस्ट इंजरी क्या होगा इससे? फ्रैक्चर। गुड। ओके, cricket bat. Regarding the cricket bat, rest of everything is same, but the weapon you need to describe. Weapon थोड़ा different है इसका, ठीक है? We have three parts. We have the handle, we have the splice, and then first divided into two parts. Divided into the handle and the blade. Blade में there are different parts present. Okay, there is a swell, there is spine. Okay, there is splice. All of these things described properly, and there is shoulder. Shoulder is the portion which is connecting the handle with the body proper. Okay, understood? Shoulder में if there is any covering in the shoulder, mention it. Handle में if there is covering present, color क्या है उसका, rest every portion is same. Regarding this, see in the swell portion ना, उसका dimension कितना है वो mention करना आप, thickness change होगा, overall bat में thickness change होगा, describe that, how many edges are present in the bat वो भी लिखना है आपको। समझ में आया कितना होता है? लड़के बताओ बैट में कितने एजेस होते हैं? 4 edges are present. Okay, and one spine will be present here, है ना? Describe that as well. If we take the spine into consideration, it can have a anterior and the posterior surface. Medically हम बताए तो, okay, or a front side and a back side. Understood? Try and describe as particularly as possible. बुझेছো? Okay. Rest injuries possible are same. Okay, abrasion, contusion, laceration, and we can have fracture. Commonly with bat क्या होता है? फ्रैक्चर। ओके, अगर स्कल में फ्रैक्चर हुआ बैट से तो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्चर कैन यू फाइंड? फिशर तो होगा, कंपाउंड नहीं, डिप्रेस्ड फ्रैक्चर होगा। फिशर फ्रैक्चर कॉमन है, बैट से हिट करे तो डिप्रेस्ड फ्रैक्चर भी होता है। ओके ओके, डिप्रेस्ड फ्रैक्चर जानिश, डिप्रेस्ड फ्रैक्चर माने कि डू यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिप्रेस्ड फ्रैक्चर? हाँ, एंड देन व्हाट इज पॉन्ड फ्रैक्चर? Who is answering? You. Yes, say depressed meaning. What is the meaning of depressed fracture? Bone will? Yes. So, from the normal level of the skull vault, a specific segment of the bone is going to go inside as compared to the normal level of the skull vault. Okay, that is depressed fracture. Pond fracture. What is the meaning of pond? Abhi think practically. Have you ever seen a pond? देखा है? हाँ? The floor of the pond and the edges of the pond around which we walk. Is there any continuity or a chunk of mud is just taken out? Continuity होता है ना? हाँ? So what is the meaning of a pond fracture? When there is continuity with the surrounding surface, surrounding का जो level है, and the lowest part. পুকুর দেখেছিস কোনোদিন? Have you seen a pond? Okay. Pond fractures are actually skull fractures only, but they are seen in case of kids. Why they are seen in case of kids? Kids' skull. Okay. These people, they have given the exam just now. They know. It is soft, not exactly soft, but it is not fused properly. And the bones, they are moldable. Soft na. Same moldable. Soft ki. Soft क्यों अब है? Cotton is soft, okay. Skull is not soft. Skull is moldable. So if the skull is moldable, then if we give, for example, with the end of this, okay, if a fracture, suppose if it was of metal, okay, an impression fracture is done on the skull bone, okay, it will go inside, but it won't break off from the rest of the bone. Understood? That is known as pond fracture. Chalo. Now, concrete slab. For now, we have used a brick. You most probably will be provided with a brick or a specific type of concrete slab. Okay. Regarding the brick, क्या बताना है आपको? Rest everything. अच्छा चलो. Describe this. Describe the brick. Who will describe? You describe this. Jaldi. Sharp or blunt? Blunt. Okay. Then. See the color? Good. Then shape. Okay. Then edges. How many? Chalo. Let's go with the surface. How many surfaces are present? 4. 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. How many edges? Edges बताना है, corners बताने हैं. Okay. Another thing, what are you supposed to say? Is there anything encrypted in the brick? हाँ, some encryption is present. It's not necessary कि हर brick में या फिर the concrete slab which is provided to you encryption होगा. समझ में आया? If something is encrypted, write it. Okay. Next, we will take the dimensions. Okay. So for this length, measure करो जितना भी आ रहा है. Okay. Then take the breadth. Okay. Take the breadth. And then you're supposed to take the height. Okay? Now weight if possible, if there is a machine or you can take the weight, otherwise leave the weight. Wow. Next. Chalo. What are the different types of injuries possible? Different MLC importance नहीं पूछा है मैंने. What are the different types of injuries possible? Abrasion होगा इससे. Okay. Different between the type of abrasion that I was mentioning you. What type of abrasion is possible with this? Grazed. Very good. How? If I'm rubbing my skin, if my skin is rubbed against it, okay, grazed abrasion होगा ना इससे. Okay. Next, contusion possible. Contusion is possible. Laceration. Laceration नहीं होगा बेटा इससे. Are you sure? Laceration होगा कि नहीं? होगा ना laceration. Okay. And then what else? Fracture होगा ना fracture. Okay. Now say the MLC importance. Who is going to say? You say the MLC importance. MLC importance say. And simple possible. Grievous possible. ठीक है? Understood? अच्छा चलो. Suicidal possible है क्या इससे? हाँ, ऐसे करके you can do suicidal injury, but highly unlikely. Okay. If somebody is not, until unless someone is mentally challenged, इससे तो suicide नहीं करेगा. Okay. चलो. Done. Next we go for a cricket ball. अभी cricket ball नहीं है. Suppose this ball is only given to you or any other metallic ball is given to you. Rest, how will you describe it? Initial portions तो same है. It is a blunt weapon. बताओ. Blunt, then flexible की non-flexible. Non-flexible. उसके बाद weight, light weight. ठीक है. उसके बाद इसके dimensions. It is spherical. Round को किसने बोला round in shape? हाँ, राउंड है कि स्फेरिकल है? राउंड क्या है? this is round, the tip is, this end is round, okay, this is an entire, ये 3D है बेटा, इसको हम sphere बोलते हैं, round नहीं बोलते हैं, okay. चलो, so spherical है तो इसमें क्या measure करेंगे हम? Circumference, okay, circumference, we'll measure the circumference, say the color, जितना भी आ रहा है circumference, it is 21 centimeter here, so you will say the circumference, you will mention regarding the color. In case a cricket ball is given, it is stitched with what color material, वो बताना है आपको, ठीक है, understood. The type of injuries, same type of injuries. चलो, ball से most common injury क्या होगा? Bruise, laceration भी हो सकता है, bruise ना, bruise is very common. See, now say me one thing, can you see discoloration here? Can you see discoloration here? The middle portion, the skin apparently appears normal. Why so? The point of impact. Okay. मैंने ये पिक्चर क्यों लिया है? किसी भी टाइप का ब्रूज हो सकता है यार, इससे नॉट नेसेसरी ना, ताकि यू आर सपोज टू नो दिस पर्टिकुलरली इज मेड, यूजुअली बॉल से होता है ऐसा इंजरी, ठीक है. द पॉइंट ऑफ इम्पैक्ट, वहां से द पॉइंट ऑफ इम्पैक्ट विच हैज गॉट द हाईएस्ट इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इम्पैक्ट विद द स्किन, दैट इज कॉजिंग द ब्रूज इन दोज पर्टिकुलर एरियाज. ओके, समझ में आया? नेक्स्ट, चलो, बॉल इज डन. रोप से, अभी रोप बताओ, हु इज गोइंग टू से? शी इज गोइंग टू से. Describe these two. ना तू बॉश क्या आश पे तू ही एग्जाम में तो आपको सब कुछ आता था. Get up, go there. Describe this as a weapon. Look towards your friends and describe. Start. Is it blunt or sharp? Blunt. Okay. It is solid. Solid है. Okay. Then flexible or non-flexible? Weight बताओ इसका. हाँ? Normal weight. Don't look at that. Look at your friends. Look towards them, not at the blackboard. Sorry, at the screen. Lightweight. क्या बोलो दिशा तो कहते lightweight. Next तू ही describe कर भी ताऊले, ठीक है सर? Okay, lightweight. Next, describe this as a weapon. Describe it. What did I mention?
Dimension.
डायमेंशन कैसे बताओगे? मेजर द लेंथ. रेस्ट जितना भी बाकी है ना, यू गाइस आर ओनली गोइंग टू डू इट, मैं नहीं कराऊंगी. ओके, मेजर द लेंथ फास्ट. Hey, measure the length properly, रे. Measure the length properly. Okay, you found the length. Can we take the circumference of this one? जितना भी है, चलो. Hold the weapon. Hold the weapon. Can we take the circumference of this one? Possible है circumference लेना? Possible है कि नहीं है? है actually possible. It will be less than 0.5 centimeter, है ना? It's so small. Okay, चलो. The color describe. Black. Material made up of plastic, nylon, whatever you feel like. Okay, चलो. Next, type of injury is possible with this. Say that. Type of injury. Most commonest injury. Bruise, contusion, okay. Abrasion हो सकता है इससे. With these ends, abrasion possible. With these ends, हाँ. With these ends, laceration. Laceration इससे छोड़ो. Laceration तो इससे भी होगा. With this we can have laceration, है ना? Fracture, is it possible, बेटा? Fracture. How can you do fracture with this? हो सकता है क्या? You think. It's not about what they are answering. तुम्हारा क्यों होना है? Fracture possible with this. फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है. फ्रैक्चर ऑफ द स्मॉल बोन्स कैन ऑकर. फैलेंजेस फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है. हाईली अनलाइकली. तो जब तक नहीं पूछे तब तक नहीं बताना है. इफ दे आर गिविंग यू अ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, आया था ना स्पॉटर्स में, हाँ, जब पूछे ऐसे ना फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है कि नहीं, देन थिंक एंड से हाँ सर पॉसिबल है. स्मॉल बोन के लिए इसको बोलो जाए, थोड़ा पानी वानी दिखे आए. जाओ बेटा, गो, मूव. I cannot teach like this if you are ओके गो फास्ट, ये वो जगह था, गुड। ओके, इससे स्ट्रैंगुलेशन पॉसिबल है? हाँ, व्हाट विल बी द लाइगेचर मार्क ऑफ स्ट्रैंगुलेशन विद दिस ligature mark? Do you know what is ligature? This can be used as a ligature material, है ना? It can be used as a ligature material. कैसा ligature mark आएगा इससे? Uniform, smooth, okay. Ligature mark of strangulation. Direction क्या होगा? Horizontal or oblique? Oblique कौन से में आता है? Hanging. अच्छा, come here and stand again. From this, are there any serrations present? You to have held this. Serration आछे कोनो? Huh? There is no serration. It is smooth, right? Give your wrist, beta. Okay. So if I encircle her wrist, okay, and if I think that this is a neck, how am I doing it? Horizontal आ रहा है, and this, look at this, which is horizontal and which is oblique. समझ में आया? Hanging में the pressure will come on this point, है ना? And the knot is tied above. Hence we get an oblique mark. When we are, keep your hand like this. When we are going for strangulation, it will be like this. Understood? So it will be horizontal. Keep your hand like this only. Okay. Okay. So the mark, what do you think? The mark which we find here, serration will be possible? Any serrations will be present? No. If I take a rope, nylon rope, or this very rope, if it is given in your exam, and if I encircle her hand like this, okay, what will be the mark that will be present? Serration होगा, हाँ? Extreme pressure, pressure बेशी को तो लोग लगता है extreme pressure, है ना? Extreme pressure में it will be parchment like. If I keep on doing this on her hand, after few minutes she will say that ma'am I am feeling numb, है ना? The blood circulation, it will stop. Microvascular level में भी blood circulation that is going to stop. If it stops, then the area of contact with this very rope and her skin, they will also have stoppage of their microvasculature circulation, okay, due to which blood flow नहीं जाएगा. So the red color won't be present. It will be white, like that of a parchment. Okay, we have parchment-like appearance. आया समझ में? Thank you. So describe this rope. Who is going to describe rope? I think this is the last thing or what? Okay. We have 3 more weapons, then we are done. Chalo, describe the rope. Somebody. It is solid. It is sharp or blunt. Blunt. खुद से बताओ भाई, मैं कितना बोलूँ? Flexible. Okay. Weight. Lightweight. Soft or hard? Hard ही है. It's not soft. है ना? Done. Next, we are going to take the dimension. We will measure it. If this very rope is given, we will take the length, we will take the circumference. There are 2 ends which are present. Always describe the ends. In, for example, let's take a sharp weapon, okay? Sharp weapon, Sharmishta ma'am will take. For now, I am giving one example. In case of sharp weapon, how will you describe this? There are 2 parts. In all of the sharp weapons, primarily there are 2 parts present. One is the metallic end, another is the handle, the non-metallic part. Okay, अभी तो ये wood है. It can be plastic, it can be metal. So metallic and the non-metallic end. Non-metallic end का material क्या है? Wood. Okay. Metallic end में describe the shape. Okay. Give the length. There are 2 edges present. One is blunt, another is sharp. Understood? 2 ends are present. One is pointed and curved. Another end is attached to the handle. ऐसे another end is, one is free end. Free end pointed है कि curved है वो बताना है आपको. Okay. And then the end which is attached to the handle. Okay. Describe the handle then also. Okay. How will you describe it? It is long, cylindrical in shape, made up of wood. Take the length. Take the dimension. Circumference कितना है बताना. Different, okay. In case of skull fracture, say, what type of fracture can this end cause? Now only I was discussing. Depressed. In case of child, it will cause pond fracture. Understood? Why is Q significance है इसका? Bruise, abrasion, contusions are possible with this part. Fracture is also possible. Okay. Enter. Abrasion with this end, unlikely. With the metallic end or the sharp end, क्या होगा? Injuries? Incision. We can also have chop. हो सकता है ना चॉप वुड, अंडरस्टूड, ऐसे डिस्क्राइब करना है आपको. सो if this rope is given to you, then how will you say? There are two ends present, okay? Another end, अगर ये दिया है, then it is tapering. इसको pointed मत बोलना. Is somebody going to say that this is pointed? It's not pointed. It is tapering end, okay? चलो. Next, what will you say? You describe regarding the material. Describe the color of the material and most importantly the serrations or the patterns which are present. Okay, here two threads are intertwined with each other, है ना? So it will cause a pattern. Like in her hand, if we give a ligature mark, then there will be patterned abrasion or patterned bruise. Extreme pressure अगर पड़ रहा है तो then the ligature mark will be parchment like. समझ में आ रहा है? मोटा मोटा कितना आप उतना बता दो. Everybody will become too much happy with you guys. You guys तो are so talented. So MLC importance क्या होगा इससे? All of the injuries that we have described possible. Okay? Most common injury क्या हो सकता है इससे? Homicidal होगा इससे most common. Homicide भी हो सकता है, but yes, the first thing that should come to your mind is suicidal. Okay, see. Look at this. Can you see certain patterns which are present here? It is corresponding to that rope. Understood? Abhi, for example, you are posted at a PHC or a CHC. Postmortem तो if you are a registered medical practitioner, not doctor, medical officer भी नहीं, चलो registered medical practitioner, you are supposed to do the postmortem. Okay. Postmortem आपने किया, you find there is a ligature mark, you see certain patterns are present. Okay, you make the injury report, you give the autopsy report, and then the patient party goes. 10 to 15 years down the line, जब भी उन्होंने केस किया है, case has been filed, you are being summoned at the court after certain number of years, XYZ. Now you are supposed to go and give your witness in the court that were you the primary doctor who did examine this case or who has done the postmortem. आपको बताना है ये. What did you find? Postmortem finding क्या था? Describe the injury they are going to ask. You need to describe the injury. उसके बाद suppose by maintaining the chain of custody, they provide you with certain amount of rope, certain rope. Okay, यही rope उन्होंने आपको दिया. Now they are going to say, आप बताओ the type of injury that you are describing and the rope which is found. Is it possible that the injury or the ligature is produced by this very rope? Understood why it is important? आपको समझना पड़ेगा pattern है कि नहीं है. These are the reasons that we are supposed to know. Okay, चलो ये बताओ ligature material क्या था इसमें? हाँ? Think and answer. Understood? Presence of mind जरूरी है. देखो and then answer. Okay? See, this is known as parchment like. See, these areas they are red. This is absolutely white. Okay, why? Blood flow was stopped immediately at that point only. In postmortem में, if you give an incision, if I give an incision through and through this surface, the blood won't be free flowing. I will find a clot. It has died, right? Coagulation हो चुका है. Hence, see, these are the areas which are red. ये तो red है. In between area क्या है? It is white. This is known as parchment-like appearance. तुम्हारा हाथे चिटा गोड़ा चाहिए. बुझे की हो गया था ना आपका लास्ट में नाम. So if I do it for like 2-3 more minutes, you will get this exact appearance. Understood? चलो. Next we have hunter whip. Now how do you describe? इसमें अलग क्या है? Description only different. Okay. It has got a handle and it has got a whip proper. Okay. Describe the handle. Cylindrical. Dimension बताना है इसका. Covering क्या है? Hunter whip. The whip proper has got two ends. One is the pointed है कि sharp है कि tapering है. क्या बताओगे? Tapering end. Okay, चलो sharp pointed ये सब मत बताना please. Another end is attached to the handle. Okay, if any covering is present, for example अगर leather covering है, then we are going to describe it. The color, serrations. Here serration or patterns are present in the whip. Patterns are present. Describe the pattern. Take the length. कितना है? Done. Okay. Next इसमें क्या आएगा? Okay. The injuries. Hunter whip से क्या injury होता है primarily? Laceration. Abrasion possible है? Abrasion possible होगा कि नहीं? होगा ना? Contusion होगा. Fracture possible. Okay, fracture is possible. Fracture क्या? Dislocation भी हो सकता है. If I wrap it around your arm and pull your arm, it's gonna come out from your socket. Understood? देखा है कभी ये सब? नहीं देखा? You will see. Okay, चलो. Now when it is going to heal, look, it's white. इतना scarring हो चुका है ना, excessively scarring हो जाता है इसमें. So much of fibrous tissue is present. Okay, so the primary injury which is possible, it is laceration. Secondly, medico-legal importance of hunter whip. क्या आएगा? First thing of medico-legal importance, homicidal. Good. Accidental, possible है? Possible है. Suicidal, कर सकते हैं क्या? Strangulation, good. Strangulation is possible. Next, okay. So in metallic chain or bicycle chain, who is going to describe? Someone describe. कौन describe करेगा? बेटा आप. Describe this. Are you guys squeamish with the image? If you are, then I'm going to change it. Okay. You guys are going to become doctors, ना? देखो, हाँ बताओ. Describe this. Okay. Small metallic parts. Okay. Okay. Then small metallic parts, ये अलग अलग है कि they are attached with each other. How? Screws. Ball bearings बताते हैं हम. ठीक है? Okay. Next, चलो ये हो गया. Then you take the length. If possible, you take the length of the individual segments. Okay. Then you say the type of injuries, abrasion, contusion, which is the most medico-legal importance. बताओ इसका, इस वेपन का क्या होगा? MLC importance of this. Accidental is also. हाँ, not attached to the bone. ठीक है. Okay, so these sort of injuries are possible. In the bicycle chain, sometimes your fingers, they get stuck or intertwined. Okay, it's gonna amputation हो जाता है पूरा. Any sort of injury is possible. Fracture possible है with bicycle chain. Fracture, हाँ, possible है. Not only the small bones, बड़े बड़े bone का भी fracture हो सकता है with bicycle. See the abrasion. See, look at the abrasion. Can you see patterns? हाँ, ये abrasion नहीं है. ये abrasion है कि क्या है? Abrasion है. हाँ, ए क्या है ये? Abrasion है कि contusion है? Image of that leg. What is this? Abrasion or contusion? Contusion. So pattern contusion. Pattern abrasion unlikely. Pattern contusion is possible. Next, this is the last thing. Hammer. चलो describe. One करके, एक करके describe करो. बोल. First point regarding the hammer.
It is a blunt weapon.
Solid. अच्छा. Weight. Heavy. Parts. How many parts? 2 parts. Name the parts. Metallic and non-metallic part. ठीक है? Okay. Now describe the non-metallic part or the handle. Hey, non-metallic part. One thing, only one thing. Non-metallic part is blunt. Say the shape. It is cylindrical. Okay. Then you take the dimension lena hai. Okay. Okay. In the non-metallic part, how many ends are present of the non-metallic part? How many ends are present? 2 ends. One end is free. Another end is attached with the non-metallic part. Dimension बता, क्या क्या बोलेगा dimension में तू? तू हाँ बता फिर. Length and circumference हो गया. Color. Then metallic part describe. Shape of the blunt end. Round or circular, and it is flat. Okay. Other end, it is पॉइंटेड एंड. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बताओ, कुछ है और डिस्क्रिप्शन में? Okay, description is done. Good. Type of injury. What injuries are possible? During when you are mentioning the injuries from both of the parts बताना है. Any weapon, for example, the bamboo stick. It is single ना, कोई parts नहीं है इसमें. Head injury. What sort of injury? Non-metallic part से क्या होगा बेटा? Abrasion होगा. Abrasion होगा. Contusion. Then depressed fracture. Okay. Laceration possible है. देखो, with the non-metallic part depressed fracture is possible, but it is unlikely. Most likely कौन सा हो सकता है non-metallic part से? चलो, contusion ठीक है, fracture भी हो सकता है, abrasions, laceration, all of these. If you are describing the hammer, then try and say ये जो depressed fracture आप बता रहे हो ना, mention this in the metallic part because examiner will want you to say that only. ठीक है? Okay. Next, metallic part injuries. जल्दी बताओ. Now I'm not going to ask you. Metallic part injury, fracture of bones. Okay. Most probable injury क्या होगा metallic part से? Between abrasion, contusion, laceration, all of these. Metallic part से क्या होगा? Metallic part most probable injury, most common injury क्या होगा?
Laceration.
Metallic part, yes, it will cause laceration and then fracture. What type of fracture? Dislocation, yes, correct, dislocation. Then open, yes. Also skull में depressed fracture, pond fracture, all of these things. Okay, done. MNC importance. Can we do Barnes roller with this? हाँ, थियरिटिकली पॉसिबल है, प्रैक्टिकली नॉट दैट पॉसिबल, बट थियरिटिकली पॉसिबल है. ओके, चलो सी विच इज द पॉन्ड फ्रैक्चर एंड विच इज डिप्रेस्ड फ्रैक्चर बताओ. विच वन? B is pond fracture, good. And C में is C the pond fracture image? हाँ, okay. Depressed fracture कौन सा है? Can you see discontinuity in the bone? दिख रहा है? Okay. These are the lacerations which are possible. Okay, with the hammer. Hammer से कौन से? The metallic end which was pointed. Can you see यहाँ पे? If I hit somebody like this, then all of these cut injuries are possible. Okay. Everybody saw? Okay, someone start taking the picture and then you can leave. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Anybody has any query? Done. Your class is done.